Good morning, friends. Let me ask you something. When you wake up, do you ever feel tired before the day even starts? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple, delicious, and highly nutritious breakfasts that will fuel your body, keep your mind sharp, and make you feel energized, all without complicated recipes or expensive ingredients. The best part? They're perfect for any age, especially if you're looking to stay active and healthy between 25 and 65. First up, the Oatmeal Power Bowl, a classic, but with a twist. Now, oatmeal is like a blank canvas. You can make it sweet, savory, or somewhere in between. For this version, we'll keep it simple but powerful. Start with half a cup of rolled oats and cook them in water or milk for about 5 minutes. While it's cooking, slice up some banana and berries. Here's why this works. Oats are packed with fiber, which helps stabilize your blood sugar and keeps you feeling full for hours. Bananas give you potassium to support healthy blood pressure. And berries bring in antioxidants that protect your cells from aging. When the oatmeal is ready, top it with the banana slices, a handful of berries, and a sprinkle of chopped walnuts. That walnut crunch, it's not just tasty, it's brain food, thanks to those healthy omega-3 fats. Take a spoonful, warm, creamy, sweet from the fruit, with that nutty crunch. This is the kind of breakfast that keeps you going through your morning without a coffee crash. Next, let's talk about something a lot of Americans don't think of for breakfast: chicken and vegetable breakfast soup. It might sound unusual, but in many cultures, having a light, warm soup in the morning is the key to feeling energized and satisfied. This one is perfect if you want something easy to digest, especially after a morning workout or a long night's sleep. Here's how. Use a low-sodium chicken broth as your base. Add in shredded cooked chicken breast, lean, protein-rich, and great for muscle repair. Then toss in vegetables like carrots, spinach, and zucchini. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes and season lightly with herbs like parsley or thyme. The benefits? You're getting hydration, protein, fiber, and a rainbow of vitamins. Plus, it's gentle on the stomach but still filling. This is a breakfast that makes you feel light, yet powerful, like you can take on anything today throws at you. And finally, my favorite for busy mornings, steamed egg cups. This is as easy as it gets. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add a splash of milk, and whisk them together. Pour the mixture into small heat-proof cups or ramekins. Add your favorite fillings: chopped spinach, diced bell peppers, or even a little shredded cheese. Place them in a steamer for about 8 to 10 minutes until the eggs are set but still soft. You can also microwave them for a quick version, but steaming keeps them moist and fluffy. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources you can eat. They're loaded with vitamins like B12 and choline, which support brain health and energy production. The veggies add fiber and color, turning a basic egg into a nutrient-packed breakfast you'll actually look forward to. And here's a tip: make a few ahead of time, store them in the fridge, and reheat in the morning for a grab-and-go meal. So there you have it. 3 simple, healthy, and incredibly satisfying breakfasts. Oatmeal Power Bowl for long-lasting energy and brain health. Chicken and vegetable breakfast soup for a light yet nutrient-dense start. Steamed egg cups for busy mornings without sacrificing nutrition. If you start your day with one of these, you'll notice the difference. Better focus, steady energy, and maybe even fewer mid-morning snack cravings. Remember, your breakfast sets the tone for your entire day. When you fuel your body with the right foods, everything else becomes easier. Your work, your mood, even your workout. Now it's your turn. Which of these breakfasts are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with someone you care about. Because when we share good health, we share good life. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.